The Lake Hayes House, crafted by Ben Hudson Architects, stands as a striking contemporary residence nestled along the rocky slopes of Lake Hayes in Queenstown, New Zealand. From the street, the home presents an unassuming yet solid façade, drawing inspiration from the region's tradition of stone-walled hidden gardens. Its low-lying stone form, mortared in the traditional vernacular style, seamlessly integrates with the rugged terrain, providing privacy and a sense of permanence. This stonework grounds the house to its environment while protecting the owners from the elements, creating a home that feels like a natural extension of the landscape. Upon entering, the contrast between the solid exterior and the interior's transparency is immediately apparent. The spaces within open dramatically to the serene lake and the majestic mountain ranges beyond. Floor-to-ceiling glazing enhances the feeling of being suspended over the land, while clear-story windows invite soft light to filter in, creating a gentle play of shadows throughout the day. The home's design embraces these breathtaking views, blending the indoors with the outdoors, making nature an integral part of the living experience. The upper level serves as the heart of the home, housing the main living areas and the master bedroom. This level flows effortlessly onto an outdoor terrace, where a wood fire provides warmth on cool evenings. The terrace, positioned to overlook the lake, extends the indoor living space, offering a tranquil setting for both relaxation and entertaining. Hidden behind the stone wall lies a sunlit kitchen garden and courtyard, where mornings begin with coffee amidst the beauty of the natural surroundings. The lower level is dedicated to family living, with children's bedrooms, a study, and a family room all spilling out onto a timber deck. This informal space, grounded by the textured board finished concrete, contrasts with the floating sensation experienced on the upper level, rooting the home deeper into the hillside. These practical family spaces ensure that the house is not just a showpiece but a lived-in home, designed with day-to-day life in mind. An interplay of materials defines the house, with timber joinery connecting the open-plan kitchen, dining, and living areas, bringing warmth to the modern design. Above, a simple pitched roof, clad in metal and glass, sits atop the stone walls, allowing the house to remain understated yet elegant. This careful balance between form and function is a testament to the architectural vision, creating spaces that feel both intimate and expansive. Lake Hayes House thrives as a place for both peaceful retreat and everyday living, seamlessly blending into its spectacular surroundings. The design marries tradition and modernity, offering a home that is both anchored to the landscape and open to the beauty beyond.